Hey teachers, you should have gotten an email today from Handwriting Without Tears, and I'm just going to walk you through some basic things you can do and show you what's available to you with this digital platform. And you can dig into this as much as you'd like or very minimally, but I'm going to show you some things that might be pretty helpful for you. And additionally, if you want more information or want some assistance with this, by all means ask. I can meet with you as a team or individually. So first of all, you should have gotten this email. And in the email it says log in, and you're going to click on this link. So as I do that, when you come to this screen, you're going to do sign up now. And then here you're going to put in your school email address, and then you're going to click the send the verification code. Then you'll need to go and check your email. It'll send you a code that you enter, and you print in your password, those kinds of things. So that's going to create the account for you. So once you get logged in, it's going to look something similar to this. It could look a little bit different, but it could also in there have a getting started video. And if that appears, I'm going to recommend that you have a look at that. It is 7 minutes long, but it does do a good overview of this screen for you. Now yours might look a little bit different because of the grade level that you might be working with, so it might be a little different color on your screen, but the basics are the same. So one of the things that people have said that they're looking for just minimally is being able to put the student edition up on their board instead of having to put it underneath a document camera. So in that case, you can click on that, got it for the copyright part of it. And then I can go down to the bottom portion here. And yes, I can click page by page, or I can click here and I can either put in a page number, or if I want to pick by a letter, I can actually pick the letter, and then it will appear on the screen for that particular page. So I can be using this and projecting it much larger rather than with the document camera. So that's just one option. And then if I go back to the home, it's going to take me back to this screen, and I can go to the teacher's guide. I can also, if I wanted to, use this as a lesson plan and assign things for the students as well. And the students could have some practice with that. I would encourage you, once you're in, to go ahead and look at things like the resources that are in here, as well as, and you can, when you find a resource you like, you can pin it so that it's easily accessible in this pinned resources. Also, some of the digital formation tools, you can be looking at those as examples. So if I would go to cursive capitals, click on that, it will walk through how to make these. Now actually it's talking through here. Probably not going to hear it on this video, but it's actually walking through how you would do it. Okay, and then you could actually practice by drawing on here too, which is a little difficult on a trackpad, but it might be easier on your smartboard to do as well. So those are just a few of the tools that are available on here to get you started if you are interested in the digital version of this Learning with Tears. Now I'm going to go back one step. If you go back to your original email, and this talks about viewing the video, lesson plan or assignment, all those kinds of things. If you want students to be logging into this so that they can do some work on their iPads, that is possible, and I can certainly help you with that. But this other link down here on the bottom, if I click on this and I sign in, it's going to make me sign in again. It's going to come up with a little bit different window. Now I'm going to come up to mine. Mine will look different than yours, but one of the things that we'll have in the corner here is a pin. And students, when they first sign in, need to put in a pin number. So what I'm doing, for example, with first grade is I'm actually setting that up on their iPads already. So it only has to be put in one time, and then we can bypass that. Once students have the pin in, it automatically goes right to their class. So classes are already set up, students are already rostered, and they just pick their name off of a list and they put in the secret word, and the secret word is AB12. AB12, that's it. Just those four things. They're AB12. Again, if you want help with this, by all means ask. I would be happy to work with you individually or as a team.